Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today we are looking for a best 10 Python free courses in Udemy. So our first course is Python and Computer Neurals. This course is the first course in our video. This video is 1 hour and 29 minutes in demanding duration in the video, and 3982 students are watching this course. In this course you will learn to control machines neural network between networks, process and process development cloud. Okay, now I will show you how to take the video. Go to the enroll now, then start course. So this is the course. Okay, the course are 5 lessons are available in this course. Okay, this video is a beginner level, so do not have any previous experience in Python. Okay, and like 5 lessons are available in this video. We are going to the next course. The next course is wheeled robots with Raspberry Pi and Python basic. In this course you will learn to wheeled robots fundamentals and working with virtual robot simulations. Okay, and only 42 minutes demanding this video duration, and 5238 students are watching this video. Okay, let's take the video, enroll now, and start the course. So this is the video. Only 5 lessons are available in this video, and the same, this is the beginner level video course, and only 5 lectures. Okay, and the language is English. So this is the next course, Python Technical for making graphical user interface. Okay, get the course, enroll, click the enroll now, and start the course. So this is the course. Only 1 lesson are available in this course. Okay, and 5 lectures are available in this video, and students are 6941 students are watching this course. Okay, the language is English. So next courses is the ultimate Python and Pandas data analysis course. This course is a 1 hour demanding video, and 7074 students are watching this course. In this course you will learn to use Python for data science and machine learning, and learn to use pandas for data analysis. These 2 things are available in this video. Okay, next take to the course. The start course, and see, this is the course, and one lesson section, only one section is in the course, and 6 lectures are available in the course. Okay, the course also beginners level, so you do not have any previous experience in Python. So we are going to next course. The next course is Python 3 crash courses. Only 58 minutes are available duration in the video in the course. Okay, 5164 students are watching this course, and in this course you will learn to how to use Python 3, and how to install Python, and how to execute Python files, and Python 3 max variables, syntax and commands, etc. etc. Okay, then take the course now. So this is the course. Only 2 sections are available in the course, and 24 lectures are available in this course. Okay, and this is a intermediate level, not a beginner level, it's an intermediate level. Okay, so the next course is Python API for trial, and 1 hour 30 minutes duration in the video, and 10,630 students are watching this course. Okay, in this course you will learn to how to trade and view market data with using the Python. Okay, the next, the installing and configuration TWS for the API, receiving market data and historical candlesticks. Okay, so next we are going to take the course. Let's go start the course. So this is the course. Only one sections are available in this course. The 8 lectures are including in the course. Okay, it's a beginner level course. So we are going to next, the course is Practical Python. Next course is Practical Python. This course is 1 hour and 6 minutes demanding video, and 6,302 students are watching this course. Okay, and in this course you will learn to Python programming and installing Python and using Python, helping documentation and writing strategies in Python, etc. Okay, then take the course, enroll now, and start the course. This is a course. Only 4 sections are available in this course and 10 lectures including the course. It's a beginner level course. I do not have any previous experience in this in Python. Okay, so we are going to next course, in an introduction to Python volume 1. Okay, 1 hour and 48 minutes duration in this course, and 5,112 students are watching this course. Okay, in this course you will learn students will learn programming in the Python coding language and Python basics and print statements and data types and variables, input, mathematics operators, etc, etc. Okay, so we are getting to the course. Enroll now, the start course. So the same things as a beginners level course, Python volume 1. Only the 23 lectures are available in the course, and 7 sections are available in the course. This is the next course, an introduction to Python volume 2. Okay, the same, the 1 hour and 77 minutes are available in duration in the video, and 7,127 students are watching the course. Okay, in this course you will learn to recap over the basic of Python from the first course and go over strings and lists. This concludes in the basic of Python, etc, etc. Now get the course. Now go to the course. So this is the course. Only 6 sections are available in the course, and 17 lectures are available in the course. Same the beginner level. This course level is beginner. Okay, so the last and final course is learn Python program language from scratch. The last course is learn Python program language from scratch. Okay, it's the 1 hour and 55 minutes available duration in the course. Only 3,578 students were watching this course, and in this course you will learn to use Python and learn advanced Python features and create professional websites and create awesome games. Though these things are available including this course. Okay, go to the enroll now, and start the course. Okay, this is the course. Only 7 sections are available in the course and 11 lectures including this course. This course are beginners level course. So guys, do not have any previous experience in Python. Okay, I will give you all the link in the description. Do check it out. So that's all for now. Hope you find this video is useful, guys. To get more update about free online courses and other awesome contents, Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.